again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best gifts for friends in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Maraca Boston Shaker Set. Maybe we're just a sucker for pretty copper barware, but this hammered copper Boston shaker is a stunner. The weighted base cup is an oversized 30 ounces, making this cocktail shaker great for mixing up more than 2 tasty whiskey cocktails at once. Best of all, it's durable and built to last, so it can take a hit if someone's bartending skills are a bit rusty. Celebrating classic style and ancient craft, we created our Boston Maraca Shaker set for the professional bartender or serious connoisseur. The elegance of this copper shaker set will bring a little bit of shock and awe to your martini presentation or even your most esoteric cocktail. Inspired by the Boston Shaker, the Maraca Shaker set comes with one 16-ounce cup and one 25-ounce cup, a standard fit with class and panache. Since 1997, Certa do Copper is an international cooperative of master copper artisans based in Austin, Texas, with workshops in the US and Mexico and a tradition of copper work extending back over 1,000 years. Number 9. Thinsulate Warm Windproof Gloves. Unlike most insulated gloves, this pair stands out because of the soft faux fur on the wrists, adding extra warmth. On top of that, they're windproof, thanks to their 3-layer soft shell and waterproof membrane insert. The 8 colors also ensure you have options. High-density fabric and waterproof coating for better windproof and waterproof effect. Please note, the gray part of the finger of the glove is not waterproof. Designed with an elastic cord cuff to prevent cold air from entering. Anti-slip palm increase friction and abrasion resistance, help you grip things safely and firmly using high-quality conductive material. Higher touch screen technology, ensure convenient operation, direct operation of touch screen equipment, outdoor call, play mobile phone, etc. Outer windproof fabric laminated with a TPU membrane layer, which is waterproof and breathable and prevent daily wear and tear. In the middle of cotton, add a TPU waterproof film, which may double waterproof effect with good breathability. With warm velvet lining inside, Moriox ski gloves can keep your hands dry and allows sweat out, ensuring dry comfort. Number 8. Snow Sports Waterproof Ski Gloves. Trying to get your hands on a pair of ski gloves without the ski price tag? These Livingston gloves are a perfect option for you for under $30. They're waterproof, snowproof, and windproof, so you can do any and all outdoor activities comfortably. This waterproof thermal ski gloves are insulated with 100G 3M Thinsulate and 240G warm cotton, which is thick enough to keep hands warm in cold, chilly weather even if temperatures drop to 5 degrees Fahrenheit in skiing, snowboarding, winter riding, hiking, snowmobiling. The lining is soft and comfortable for skin touch. The water-resistant exterior surface and the insert waterproof TPU membrane sheds water and snow, which makes you easily cope with rain and snow in the outdoors. It will be a great gift for your families, friends, and workmates to play together in winter sports. This waterproof snowboard gloves have rubber snow wiper. You can wipe the snow without taking off gloves in the cold winter or strong sports. Number 7. Wine Barrel Aged Coffee Bean Box Set. Know a coffee and wine lover? Don't choose which would make the best gift. Give them both in the form of a wine-infused coffee set, aka the best beverage around. Prefer something stronger? There's bourbon-infused coffee, too. There's only one way to ensure you're getting the highest quality wine barrel coffee. Go straight to the master craftsman for some old-fashioned goodness. We've teamed up with a handful of distilleries and vineyards. Most notably is the award-winning distillery, Sons of Liberty, and Thomas II Rum, 2 of Rhode Island's most beloved and successful distilleries. We've paired wine, whiskey, bourbon and rum with our single-origin beans from Rwanda, Kenya, Costa Rica, Sumatra, and Ethiopia. After aging for 45 to 60 days, our coffee takes on a unique taste profile that is hard to resist. The flavors of a Chardonnay wine has been matched with amazing coffee bean from Kenya. Number 6. Aromatherapy Shower Steamers. Bath bombs are cool, but aromatherapy shower steamers? even better. After all, not everyone wants a full spa night, but everyone does want a relaxing, stress-free shower. Get them these, and they can wash a stressful workday away with ease. This 6-pack of relaxing and refreshing shower melts features the sublime scents of 1x lavender, 1x menthol and eucalyptus, 1x vanilla, 1x watermelon, 1x grapefruit, and 1x peppermint. Select one and spoil yourself. Need some unique ideas for Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers for women, or perhaps just birthday gifts for women and men in your life? Our shower soothers are made for every occasion. Our shower steamers are made cruelty-free with essential oils, natural fragrances, and offer pleasantly strong scents. Enjoy the benefits of an aromatherapy spa from home. A home spa experience like no other. Number 5. Movie Night Popcorn Kernels and Popcorn Seasoning Variety Pack. If they're the type who's always at home streaming the latest releases, whenever they're not at the multiplex, make their next movie night a little more special. This variety pack gives them 3 different type of popcorn kernels and 5 different seasonings, so it will fit whatever their preferred movie snack taste may be. Grab a movie, fire up the big screen and start munching on some gourmet popcorn. This is the ultimate movie night popcorn seasoning gift set with a variety of unique non-GMO project verified popcorn kernels and natural popcorn flavorings to suit cravings for savory, spicy, sweet and cheesy taste buds alike. We know you care what goes into your food, because we care too. That's why we label our products clearly, so you can see what's in them for yourself. Urban Accents popcorn kernels are non-GMO project verified and grown in the Midwest USA, and our popcorn seasonings are created from simple, clean ingredients. Number 4. Cocktail Smoking Box. Adding an element of smoke to any spirit can drastically impact its aroma, taste, and personality. Of course, there are plenty of cocktail smoking devices out there, from simple butane guns to massive tubes that resemble the Ghostbusters backpacks. Yet, none of those have the panache of this sleek and elegant cocktail smoking box, which can house 2 drinks at once for special company. Craft House by Fortessa is a comprehensive barware collection for the aspiring home mixologist. Designed by world champion bartender Charles Jolly Charles has applied his bartending ethos to the broad line of tools and glassware to bring the authentic cocktail experience home. Inspired by Prohibition-era barware and updated with contemporary ergonomic principles, Craft House by Fortessa provides all the tools to create professional-grade cocktails at home. Each piece is designed from the golden age of cocktails and the streamlined simplicity of deco architecture. Number 3. Soapstone Whiskey Stone Gift Set. Let your whiskey lover enjoy a sustained chill all night long with this Whiskey Stone gift set. After a few hours in the freezer, these natural soapstone cubes will chill whiskey in just 5 minutes. This set includes 9 soapstone whiskey rocks and a pair of metal tongs, along with a velvet pouch and gift box for storage. Contains 9 chilling stones made from natural soapstone. Chill your drink while preserving its flavor and not watering it down. Store in your freezer, ready to use in just hours, perfect for whiskey, vodka, wine, cocktails or any other beverage. No mess and reusable, comes with velvet carrying pouch. Enjoy your chilled and undiluted beverage. Chill rocks are suitable for whiskey, bourbon, rum, wine, cocktails, and more. Rinse and dry chill rocks. Utilize the convenient velvet pouch and refreeze rocks. Enjoy chilled whiskey time and time again. Number 2. Large Ice Ball Mold, 2-pack. Why have your person settle for traditional, square-shaped ice cubes when they can upgrade to super cool spheres instead? These ice ball molds makes 2 large circular ice cubes, so you can ensure their favorite dram is chilling in style. Plus, spherical ice cubes have less surface area and melt slower than traditional ice cubes, so your whiskey lover's drink won't get diluted. Metal Ice Ball Mold is made of BPA-free food-grade material PP plus silicone, eco-safe and safety for every use. Product size: 4.3 x 3.15 x 3 inch, 11 by 8 by 7.8 centimeters. Ice ball size: dia 2.5 inch, 6.3 centimeters. This ice ball is in jumbo size 2.5 inch, which is perfect for whiskey and cocktail lovers. Melts slowly and keeping dilution to a minimum. Keep your drinks chilled longer and more tasty. This ice cube mold is for individual ice ball use. It takes only few space of your freezer. You can just tuck them in the corner in your freezer and stacked vertically. Compared with ice tray, this mold is more flexible to use and space saving. Number 1. Gen 2 Smart Speaker. The Sonos One is Sonos' most compact home speaker, so it'll work well on a nightstand, end table, or even a bathroom countertop. It can be used on its own or in tandem with a second Sonos One or One SL speaker for richer stereo playback. The speaker has a touch-sensitive panel at its top for adjusting volume, pausing or resuming playback, and muting the internal microphone. During my tests with the Sonos One, I found the setup to be easy and appreciated how great the speaker sounded. Sonos managed to squeeze in two high-quality audio drivers, a woofer, and a tweeter that works in tandem to deliver an amazingly full and rich sound with deep bass even at low volumes. You can use the One as a surround speaker with a Sonos soundbar and subwoofer. It also features an integrated voice assistant or can be controlled using Alexa or the Google Assistant. Meaning you can skip tracks, adjust volume, set timers, get the news or weather, control smart home devices, and of course, request the speaker to play specific songs.